Hi, in this tutorial I will tell about extensions. In the Visual Studio Code editor you can use a lot of extensions. In order to code with extensions, you will see that in left sidebar there is an icon. This is called extensions. Click here and you will see that here is a lot of extensions. It will come. The first extensions it is showing is Python, Jupyter, C++, etc. You can get a lot of extensions for HTML, CSS. You will get extensions for your PHP coding. If you are a Python developer, then you can get extensions for the Python. You can change the color scheme of the VS Code editor. You can do everything. You can install any kind of extensions. Okay, a lot of extensions are available. For example, we can write here PHP, and if I write PHP, you will see that a lot of extensions are given here. PHP extension, this is PHP extension pack, this is PHP IntelliFence extension. If I go to click on any extension before installation, you will get the idea what this extension does. You will see the name of extensions. You will see that what is the primary objective of this extension, what it does. Suppose this extension is a PHP code intelligence for Visual Studio Code. If you see here, you will get details about the extension. Okay, how to use, what it does, everything you will get here. This is PHP server. If you click here, serve your project with PHP. So here you will see an animated GIF where it is showing how it works. Okay, so this is very easy to understand about extension. If you write here HTML, you will see that here is a HTML snippets extension. If you click here, you will see that in detail it is telling you what is the objective of this extension. You see that a person is writing something, title, and the title end tag automatically comes. Okay, so it is showing how to install it, how to launch, then how to command plate, how to do it, everything it is showing here. I am going to install extension. Suppose I will install this extension. Okay, click on install. When you will click on the install button, this extension will be installed on your computer. After installed extension, you can disable it anytime, or you can completely uninstall this extension. Now if I remove it, I am going to another file. Okay, I am working here. Suppose now if you want to see what extensions are installed on your computer, just go here and you will see that there is a list of installed extension. Okay, I can install a lot more other extensions. For example, CSS, I write CSS, HTML CSS support. Click on install, it is installing. Then install is done. If I go here, remove this, you will see that these two extensions are installed, so these two are in the installed list. In this way you can install any extension. There are color themes extensions. You will see that a lot of color themes are here, or a color scheme. You will get a lot of extensions here, so you can install any kind of extensions from here. So I hope you have understood how to install the extension in VS Code.